Everybody, Mr. K's class. I don't rap no more, but my buddy sent me this, so you know, figured I'll share my talent with y'all. See what y'all think. I didn't write it. My boy did. Just spit some narrative lines for y'all to wrap y'all head around. Let me know what y'all think. Hmm. Mic check. Hope all is well. I'm just sitting in hell with no place to be as these people be harassing me, chastising me, every day passing me, looking like everyday life to you, but not to me. Everywhere I go, they be following me, but not like usual way, no peculiar charade. It's like they learn this trade, posed to overwhelm me, 12 years always stopping me, talking to me, someone supposedly called on me. I'm in the backwoods, man, this isn't supposed to be how it goes, it's backwards. I'm even playing in the mud, yet they're harassing me like I'm a thug. Like they can bug, can't even sweep this under the rug, not no drug. What I look like making this up, wouldn't wish this on an enemy. Why would I go on wasting energy, make myself look crazy? Nah, won't let them phase me, haze me, bully on steroids. They ain't people, they androids. Always some type of ploy, come on, this is your boy. I don't mess around, this type of guy, so no social butterfly. Leave this with you, I don't do anything without a purpose, without no meaning, it's senseless. People all over the world, I was built for adversity, molded by obscurity. Don't know my history, but I know my past alive, right side of the graph. No likes, no shares. I was in my head, nightmares. Seen a lot of things with these eyes, a lot of deceit, many lies. Watch drugs take lives. Each as each calendar year clicks, tick, hairs turn gray. Getting closer to that day when I don't have to be in this place. Tired of these blues around my waist. Cheap ingredient toothpaste. Sky's the limit, but age is a number. Now I gotta play catch up and be humble. No rock, no dropping the ball this time. No more types of crime. College education on my mind. Can't waste no more time. I gotta have and I learning what is what I need to make me a better seed. Make my stock go up. No great value. Play this wheel of fortune. Maybe I buy a vow. Haters with my name in their mouth. Let me know what y'all think.